Hi everyone. The last video for this week. So we have 3 assignments in 5.2. You have 7.9, 7.11, and 7.13. And in activity 7.9, you need to analyze a podcast. You go to page 237 in your textbook. It also goes along with objective 3 on page 218 to 221. So if you need help, you can reference back that section. Podcasts are a nice way to get important information that you want in your time frame. So your analysis is going to consist of answering each of the 4 questions listed on page 237 in the paragraph under your text. All right, there is 4. It is it direct or indirect, the podcast? You know, are they informative or persuasive podcast? How is it presented? In other words, is it very dry? Does there some humor? Does the person bring interest to it? What style does the speaker adopt? Is it nice and friendly? Just typical what you would think style would be. Again, this is the objective here, so you can go back and reference that. Do not have to write an email. Okay, the directions say to write an email. No. Directions also tell you that rather than you stumble across specifically Money Girl who dispenses information, you sign up for free podcasts. You don't have to do that. You can also visit, so you can visit the Money Girl site. You can visit Quick and Dirty Tips. And those are 2 of the primary sites. So you can read that for suggestions. I thought Money Girl was probably a better one for you, but either one of the suggestions is listed in your textbook. Listen to it on the website and study it. Be sure to identify the podcast. You have to tell me which one you're looking at on Money Girl, and then the name of the podcast wherever you go that is suggested. Is it direct or indirect, informative or persuasive, and how is it presented? Okay, activity 711 is another podcast turning text into a video in a jiffy. Just basically you follow the directions that are provided in the textbook. You have to get membership you have to sign on to Article Video Robot. You do not have to pay for it. I had some, they're going to try and get you to, but you don't have to. It's one of those things you don't have to. So basically for 711, you follow the directions that they give you in the textbook. If you have questions or concerns before you do anything, as far as, oh my gosh, I have to pay for it, so I can't. No. Talk to me. I want to help you. Talk to me. And then follow the descriptive video that's below. And reviewing corporate blogs, I think this is fun. This is always an interesting one. And that's on page 238, objective 4. Exposing you to additional tools that companies use to market their products or to communicate with the outside world. 5 steps for this assignment you need to complete is search for CEO blogs, index corporate blogs. There are specific blogs. It says CEO blogs, corporate blogs. Let me read here. Okay. Yeah, 10 most popular corporate blogs. So select one. As you read, analyze the blogs to see if they match up with the 8 steps on page 225 to 227. So that's part of the assignment. You have to go back to 225 and 227. There's 8 steps. It's going to be your analysis. And then write a summary of one of the blogs using the 8 points. So you match up the steps, and then you write a summary. Be sure to submit the name and web address of the blog that was used. And then always go down here and grade yourself on the rubric. Okay? All right. If you have any questions, give me a shout out. Let me know what you need help with or what you want to comment on. Okay? Take care. Bye-bye.